Power generating stations. How electrical energy is generated from different energy sources. Thermal power plants. Steam turbine electricity powers modern civilization. From homes and hospitals to industries and transportation systems, electrical energy is essential. A thermal power station converts the chemical energy of coal into electrical energy. Coal is burned in a boiler to produce high-pressure steam. Hydroelectric stations use the potential energy of stored water. Water flows through penstocks and rotates hydraulic turbines, producing electricity through generators. Nuclear power plants generate heat through nuclear fission. The heat converts water into steam, which drives turbines connected to generators. Solar power plants directly convert sunlight into electricity using photovoltaic cells. Gas turbine plants use compressed air and fuel combustion to rotate turbines at high speed. The future of power generation focuses on renewable energy, smart grids, energy storage, and sustainable technologies.
By integrating the grid here, we achieve a 20% increase in efficiency across the entire network. This data confirms the stability.
Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today. Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today. Nice to meet you.